Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a Gmail account without phone number. As you see here, we have skip option and we can skip phone number. Let's do it. Tap Chrome, search for create Gmail. Create Gmail account. Create a Gmail account. Create an account. Add another account. Create account for my personal use. First name. Next, day, month, gender, mail. Okay. Next. Create your own Gmail address. You can select one of them, but I want to select another one. Gmail.com. Next. This username is taken, so I add MH. This one also taken, N for example. Now it's good. Create a password. Next. You can add phone number or skip. I just skip phone number. Next. It is done. I agree.